A dusty typewriter sat in a forgotten attic, whispering secrets to those who dared to listen. Write your dreams. It beckoned, keys clattering like ancient bones. Each word typed transformed into reality, but with a twist. A writer curious and bold typed, "I wish for adventure." Suddenly they found themselves in a jungle, chased by a mischievous monkey. Be careful what you wish for. The typewriter chuckled. Realizing the power of words, the writer typed, "I wish for wisdom." The jungle vanished, leaving behind a lesson. Dreams require courage and clarity. Embrace your story, the typewriter urged. Hit like, subscribe, and comment to support us.